Okay, so this is our second problem, and in this one we are solving for a missing angle, so that's angle X right there. So this is our problem. A hunter stands in his tree stand that is 15 feet above the ground. On the ground, a deer stands 27 feet away from the base of the tree stand. What angle will the hunter need to hold his gun to hit the tree in the foot? Yeah, I know that's really random, but that's just how it worked out. So first, what I need to do is I need to figure out if I'm going to be using sine, cosine, or tangent to solve this problem. So just write down the little cheat. Toa. Okay, and so I know that I'm going to be using this side right here and this side right here. And so this side is opposite from the angle, so I know it cannot be this one. And then this side is adjacent to the angle, so I know that it has to be tangent. So we're going to be using tangent to solve. So I'm just going to do tan and then x, because we don't know what the angle is, equals, and then we know it's opposite over adjacent, so 27 over 15. And now we're going to switch x over to the other side and make that tan -1, since we've taken out the x, times 27 over 15. Okay, and now we're just going to solve for that, and I'm going to use my calculator, but I have to use the real life one because I don't know how to use the computer one. So I'm just going to plug in second tan to get tan -1 times 27 divided by 15 gives me approximately 60.9 degrees. Okay, so I have just figured out that the hunter must hold his gun at approximately a 60.9 degree angle in order to hit this deer right in the foot. Okay, thank you.